Hi, I'm Bertrand. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Amazon Prime's video step-by-step guide on your phone. A timestamp will be in the description below. You can use this as a reference guide and go to the point that you want to watch. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your app store and download the application. And after you have downloaded it and after you have set up your account, tap on open. Tap on new, and then you enter the profile and you tap save. Now that profile is created. Now when you want to log in, you log in under that profile. The first thing you're going to notice is at the top, you have your home button. You tap on that and it will take you home. Next to the home button, you have your original. Tap on this and it's going to give you a list of all of Amazon original programming. And as you go down the list, you can see you have new movies. Below it, you see where it says included with Amazon Prime. These are all of the Amazon originals that you get to watch free with your Amazon Prime. Now, all of these you simply scroll from right to left to view all of the different programs that you have. And if you want a program, you simply tap on it. When you tap on a program, you notice that the program will come up. The first thing you'll see with the series here is series 1. Now, if you tap that down arrow, you'll notice that it shows you all of the different seasons that you have for this particular program. Tap your screen again to go back. Now, if you want to watch the trailer, you simply tap the play button for trailer. If you want to add it to a watch list, you tap the plus sign for the watch list. If you want to download it, you tap the download button and you can choose what language you want to download it in, and then you simply tap start download. Now it's going to download that and you can watch it later. If you want to cancel the download, then you tap the cancel button. Now you tap on more will give you the ability to set up a watch party, which means that you can watch it with someone else by tapping on it. Then you tap create watch party, then you tap share to send. The next thing we want to look at is TV. Tap on TV and it gives you a list of what you can actually watch on TV. You have your continual watching. This gives you the option to continue to watch some series that you have watched in the past. Below it, you have your channels. Now these are the channels that you have set up on this system with this app, and you can choose to watch something from those channels. Below that you have popular TV. Now this is going to give you a list of popular shows that you have probably watched in the past, and you can choose one of those to watch it. Below it you have your Amazon Prime original. Now this is going to give you a list of all of the Amazon Prime originals that you can watch for free. Below it you have your freebie. These are free TV shows that you can watch, although they will have ads with them. And below that you have your standard included with Prime TV shows. Now you also have the ability to watch live and upcoming sports. For example, you see where it says Dodgers 9:40 p.m. time. If you click on that, now you can add this to your watch list and then you can watch it later. If you want more information about this particular event, tap on more and you see it will tell you more information. Next, we're going to look at movies. Tap on movies and you have the exact same options that you would have on the other ones. Your channels, Amazon originals, new release movie rentals. Here is where you can rent movies that are recently released. Simply tap on it and then it tells you exactly how much the movie will cost to rent. $5.99. If you want to buy it, it's $19.99. And there are more purchasing options as well. And you can also buy it in different qualities as well. Ultra high definition, or standard definition. And simply here, if you want to watch the trailer, you can watch the trailer, add it to a watch list, a watch party, or share. Below it you have Prime member deals. Now this is going to from time to time have specials that you can use to watch movies and they'll be at a discounted rate. Below it you have new release movies. Now these are very recent movies and the newest ones that are released, and again you can tap on this and you have the option to buy the movie, or sometimes they have to give you the option also to rent those as well. Then below it you have different categories that you can choose: drama, movie genres, action and adventure. Different categories will be added as you keep scrolling down. Now at the bottom shelf you have your home, which will take you to the home screen, and then you have your store. You tap on this and this is where you can go buy various movies by simply scrolling down to choose whichever movie you want to buy or watch. Next to it you have your find button. Now you can use this to search for any movie or TV show or documentary or anything that you want, and you can decide how do you want to browse by. If you want to browse by just movies included with Prime, then you tap that and it will show you all of the different movies that are included with Prime. Now if you want a specific actor title, then you tap it, type in the title, and it will show you a list of all of the different movies with that particular title. If you want different genres, you simply go down to the bottom and you can choose what genre you want: drama, action, adventure, comedy, horror, documentary, and if you want more, tap see more, and the list just goes on. In the categories section you have recently added TV shows, which will show you the shows that are recently added, and if you want to view one of these again, you simply tap on it and you have the same options. If you want 4K or ultra high definition movies, you tap on this and it's going to give you a list of 4K and ultra high definition movies or TV shows in 4K or ultra high definition. When you see the check mark, it's a Paramount, and that means that you'll be able to watch it for free because you have a subscription for it. But you notice here, Star Trek Beyond, it says rent or buy, so you cannot watch that one for free. Now if you want to add certain filters on here, you go to the top and you type filters, way to watch. You can choose video, all videos. You can choose videos included with Prime or channels or rent to buy. So I want to choose include with Prime. Tap on that. Now it's going to show you only the movies or videos that comes up that are included with Prime that you can watch for free. Next we're going to look at download. In the download section, this is where all of the movies that you have downloaded will be in this section. And if you have movies that are downloaded, you can set it up where it automatically downloads. You can set up episodes to download, or you can delete watch download by tapping on that. When you tap on this, that means that after you have watched your movie or TV show, it will automatically delete. Next we're going to go to my stuff. Now when you tap on my stuff, it's going to give you a list of movies or videos that you have watched or games, and it also will give you a list of purchased movies. Tap on that and it's going to show a list of movies that you have purchased and you can watch again. Now if you want to, you have more options that you can choose for the purchased movies. You tap on the ellipsis and now you have play trailer, play again, watch list, download, share, or view details. All of those options that you can use for that particular movie. Now let's look at the settings. Under the settings you have certain things that you can do. For example, the first one, streaming and downloading. If you tap on that, it will give you the ability to choose the quality of your stream. By tapping on it, you can choose from best, better, good. Each one will increase the amount of gigabyte it uses. So for example, good would be 0.6 gigabytes and then best would be 5.8 gigabyte, which means it's going to take up more storage, but it will be a higher quality video. Next, you have stream on Wi-Fi only. If you turn this on, then that means it's going to only stream over Wi-Fi. It will not use the data on your phone. You can download on Wi-Fi only. If you wanted to download only on Wi-Fi and not use the data on your phone, you can set auto download on, or you can turn it off. This means that it will automatically download whatever you set to download. If you want your episode to start automatically when the episode you're watching ends, you tap on this. If you need to register or deregister your account, you would go to registered devices, and here is where you can automatically deregister different devices that you have set up. If you want to manage your account information, this is where you go to manage your account. You tap manage your account, and all of your information will be set up here. You can add your payment methods. You can edit it. You can do all that from here. If you want to delete the account, you tap on delete the account. And if you want to sign out, you tap sign out. Now, if you want to clear your video history, you tap here and it will say, are you sure you want to clear your video search history? And you tap yes. If you want to set up your language, you can set up your language here for whatever language that you want it to be defaulted at. And if you want help, you're having problems with your Amazon Prime, you go here and it's going to give you different options that you can use. For example, you can set up your Prime Video here, tap this, and it's going to ask you different questions that you might want to answer. You scroll down to find the question that you need answered. You can do troubleshooting here as well by scrolling down and find out what the problem is. Accessibility, if you need certain things like, for example, turning on subtitles or captions for Prime Video to connected devices, you can go here and find out how to do that. You want to do a chat with Prime Video tech support, you go here and it would give you the ability to get specific help with a bot. No doubt that you'll be able to ask different questions. And then finally, if you want to speak with a representative, this is where you would go and it's going to give you the option to speak with a representative. Now, this has been a complete guide showing you how to use Amazon Prime on your iPhone. If you found value in this guide, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, ring, share, and comment. In the comment section, let me know if there's anything that I missed that you would like me to share.